Have you found yourself here because you're looking for a pool remodel, but have you experienced some frustrations along the way? If so, I am going to answer the topmost questions that we received during our first appointment. I'm Lindsay Pacoda, and I'm the Director of Remodeling here at Shasta Pools, and I'm going to answer the top questions that you should be asking yourself when considering a pool remodel. What is the cost of a pool remodel? Is design change an option or adding additional features? What does the remodel process look like and the timeline during a pool remodel? What warranties would I receive? Financing options or payment options for a pool remodel? Why Shasta? When it comes to a pool remodel, there are many factors that can come into play when we're trying to find the cost. You have many options. If we're looking at just a standard remodel, you can be looking at anywhere from about $11,000 to $18,000. Now keep in mind that range is going to factor in the size of your pool. Are you looking to change out the interior finish? What type of interior you're looking to have done? Tile selection, and are you looking to have your deck done? From there, you can add a spa. And when it comes to adding a spa to your existing pool, there are a few different options that you have. A spa can be added to the inside or the exterior of your pool. Adding a spa can add about $18,000 to $25,000 to your standard pool remodel. Or if you're looking to just add some additional features, such as a Baja shelf, also known as a sun shelf, water features, or maybe you need to upgrade that equipment, those ranges can range anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000. Again, that is just going to be depending on what type of feature you're looking to upgrade. Go check out our pricing estimator, and it will give you an instant price range for your pool remodel. When it comes to the design process and adding additional features to your pool, there are a few things to consider. First is going to be the design process. Let's design the interior finish of your pool. We have many options available, but a few of the top favorites are Pebble Sheen, Pebble Brilliance, and Pebble Essence. All come in a wide variety of color selections that you can choose from. Once you have your interior finish selected, the next stage will be selecting your tile and deck options. When it comes to tile, we have a wide variety of colors, different textures. It all comes down to your personal preference. When it comes to decking, you may have an existing concrete deck. There are many things that you can do to upgrade that. The first thing we could do is keep your concrete deck. We could strip off the old acrylic and add new acrylic, or if you're looking for an upgraded look, we can add pavers, travertine, or limestone. When it comes to the remodel process and the timeline of the project, there are a few key things to factor in. When it comes to a standard pool remodel, the construction process can take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. If you're adding a spa or additional features, the project can take anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. The first stage in the remodel process is going to be the demolition. The demolition process is going to be the most untidy, but don't worry, we will make sure we clean up. The good thing is that the demolition process usually takes 1 to 2 days. Depending on the type of remodel that you have chose, the next coming phases will be plumbing, tile, electrical, deck, possible upgraded features such as that spa build or Baja shelf, and then comes the interior finish. The timeline for those phases can range anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks. We will be here to start up the pool, which includes starting up that equipment, adding in the chemicals, and help answering any questions that you may have on your project. When it comes to warranties, there are a few different warranties that you will receive on your pool remodel project. If you upgraded to new equipment or if we resurfaced your deck, you will receive a 5-year warranty. When it comes to that interior finish, you will receive a 2-year warranty on workmanship and a lifetime warranty on the material. One of the biggest questions that we get asked is, do you finance? The answer is yes. There are 2 options. You can either pay with cash or you can finance your project. We work with Lions Financial, or we can work with one of your preferred lenders. Why Shasta? This is one of the most commonly asked questions during our first appointment. Well, here at Shasta, we know that we can deliver you a beautifully remodeled pool. We have never been okay with just delivering a good service. We strive to deliver that premium service that you should expect from your pool remodeling company. When choosing Shasta, you can expect professional communication throughout your entire project. We pride ourselves in innovation with top-of-the-line equipment and material. And we have done this by serving over 40,000 families valley-wide for almost 60 years. And if you have any additional questions, you are welcome to give us a call, or you can browse our website underneath the blog section that will go into further detail on the remodel process.